How to recover a disabled Facebook account. This technical Sundesh teaches you how to recover a Facebook account that you've disabled, or that's been disabled by Facebook. If you deactivated your account, you can reactivate it yourself by logging back in. If Facebook disabled your account, you'll have to submit an appeal to get your account back. Depending on the circumstances, they may or may not grant your request. If you permanently deleted your account more than 30 days ago, you can't recover it. 1. If you disabled your own account. Go to https://www.facebook.com. This opens the Facebook home page. If you temporarily deactivated your account, you can recover it whenever you like by logging back in, or by using your Facebook account to log in somewhere else. 1. If you chose the option to permanently delete your account, you'll have a 30-day window during which you can reactivate your account. If your account has been nominated for deletion for more than 30 days, it's gone and you can't recover it. Try creating a new Facebook account. 2. Enter your email address or phone number. Use the email address or phone number associated with the account you deactivated. 3. Enter your Facebook password. Type the password you used to log into Facebook into the password text box to the right of where you typed in your email address or phone number. If you don't remember your password, click Forgot Password and follow the on-screen instructions to reset it. 4. Click Login. If your password is accepted, you will be logged back into your account. Click Cancel Deletion if prompted. If you deleted your account and it's been fewer than 30 days since doing so, you'll have the option to cancel deletion. 2. If Facebook disabled your account. 1. Make sure your Facebook has been disabled. Go to the Facebook website at https://www.facebook.com and log in with your username and password. If you see a message that says account disabled, your account is being blocked by Facebook, which means you can send in an appeal. Facebook may disable your account if you've used it in a way that violates their terms and standards. This includes using a fake name, impersonating someone, sending spam messages, and harassing other users. 2. Check out Facebook's terms at https://www.facebook.com/terms. If you're able to access your account normally, your account isn't disabled. 2. Navigate to https://www.facebook.com/help/contact/260749603972907. If you believe your account was disabled in error, you will use this form to request that Facebook further investigate the issue. 3. Enter your email address or phone number. Use the email address or phone number associated with the account deactivated by Facebook. Make sure you have access to this email address or phone number, as Facebook will use it to communicate with you. 4. Enter your name. Type the name you use on your Facebook account into the Your Full Name field. This may be different than your legal name. 5. Upload a picture of your ID. This can be a driver's license, a learner's permit, or a passport. To do so, take a picture of your ID's front and back and move it to your computer. You can use your iPhone or Android phone to snap the picture, attach it to an email message to yourself, and then download the attachment to your PC or Mac. Click Choose Files. Select the pictures to upload. Click Open. 6. Add details for your appeal. In the Additional Info field near the bottom of the page, enter any extra information that you think Facebook should know. Some things to include are: if your legal name is different than your Facebook name, if you suspect that your account was hacked by someone, if you have visual evidence that someone other than you is responsible for abusive or abrasive actions on your Facebook account, if you have been harassed by someone whom you suspect is behind your account's behavior that led to it being disabled. 7. Click Send. It's in the bottom right side of the form. Your appeal will be sent to Facebook. If they decide to revoke the deactivation, they will send you a message letting you know that your account is now available to access. Thank you for watching Technical Sundesh. Please subscribe our channel for best technical update.